17 ASMR. Good morning, sweetheart. Oh, no. I wouldn't try that if I were you. You wouldn't want to strain your poor little throat with that gag, would we? Hey, shh. Don't try and make a sound. Just calm down, little one. Oh, there, that's much better. Such a good puppy. Oh, you look so afraid. No, it's okay. It's okay, little one. You don't have to be scared. I'm not gonna hurt you. Well, if you're good. Oh, no. Don't struggle, or else you might force me to discipline you. You don't want that, do you? No. So why don't you just sit still, be quiet, and listen to me, okay? That's a good pet. Now, I'm going to explain why you're here. You see, I love you a lot, so much, in fact, that you occupy my mind almost 24/7. It's an obsession, I know, but the line between obsession and love is much thinner than most people want to admit. I just let my true feelings out, you know? But unfortunately, there's a lot of things in life that want to hurt you. Bad things, bad people. And I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to live a poor, sad little life without happiness, being a slave to our corrupted system. No. You deserve a happy life, free of all of those bothersome responsibilities. You can count on me for that. I can take care of you. You won't have to do anything anymore, I promise. And I will make sure that you know that you're loved. Yes, I will love you more than anyone has ever loved anyone in the past. My love for you burns more brightly than hell itself, with a warmer glow than the heavens' angels. Oh, just thinking of it. Love should always bring a warm feeling, and that's what I feel with you. But although I'm willing to do anything and everything for you, we have to start slowly. You see, I can't love someone who doesn't want to be loved. You understand? If I give you everything, but you refuse to take it, then what's the point of giving it to you? So, that's why we're gonna have to do things slowly, okay? Because as much as I would love to just skip to the good part, with you untied, roaming freely in the house, caressing and your loving, beautiful body, I can't do that, yet. Because if you don't trust me, and I don't trust you back, you might run away. You might hurt my feelings, my love. We wouldn't want that, would we? Because that would make me very upset. So, we're gonna do things slow. You're gonna stay nice and tied up, nice and gagged, and then slowly, if you're a good puppy, I can ungag you, let you speak. Then, if you're a very good little darling with your words, then I can eventually untie you. And then you'll be let out of this room. Then you might be allowed out of the basement. And then you might be able to just roam the entire house completely unrestrained. Wouldn't that sound nice? It does, doesn't it? But we can't get there if you're not a good puppy. But in order for you to be a good little one, you have to obey. So, we can do this one of two ways. You can either be a very good puppy, doing everything I say, being nice and quiet for me when I want you to, and no struggling, just sitting all nice and still for me to love you. Or you can be uncooperative. You can fight against the restraints, yell into that gag, scream profanities at me, and try to yell for help that doesn't deserve to see you. And then you would make me very upset, darling. Do you know what happens when you would upset me? You would be punished, disciplined, taught your place. I'm very creative, and there's a lot of things I love about you, but the thing I love about you the most is that adorable little head of yours. More specifically, your brain, because it makes you, you. Which means everything else is fair game. Try and fight. Be a very bad dog. And I can start with your fingers, your toes, then your hands, feet, and I can just work all the way up until all that's left are your vital organs. And even then, I can preserve everything very well. Do you understand? Do I make myself clear to you? Good puppy. That's the good start. Yeah. No need for fighting at all. Oh, I'm very glad you're nice and obedient right away. It would have been a shame to have just started off with a bad impression. Now then, puppy, why don't we start our interactions off with a nice homemade breakfast? I will go upstairs, make you a nice breakfast, and you are going to sit still, not making a sound. And then I'm going to come back down and see that you haven't moved, haven't struggled, haven't yelped. And once I see that you've been a very good little one, then I'll ungag you, give you some nice head pats, and I'll feed you. How does that sound? Nice, doesn't it? Remember, any pain brought to you is going to be your fault. If you're very obedient and submissive, I won't lay a finger of pain onto you. So, unless you're a masochist, I suggest you do as I say. My demands aren't very intense. Alright? That's a good puppy. I'll be right back. Be good for me. I love you. I love you